How to switch WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated and the latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device. So let's go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the WhatsApp application. So now as you can see, I'm already logged into one of my profiles. Now in order to switch the account, what I have to do is just tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, then tap on the switch accounts option. Now as I tap on switch accounts, you'll just get the option of different other accounts that you have. I only have two accounts for the right now, so it will switch me directly to another account. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.